Our last 2 weeks were spent in the tropical rainforests of Boso Was with Dr. Christine Fiorello of the Wildlife Health Center. Boso Was is a region under control of the indigenous tribes of Nicaragua, who are autonomous and comprise virtually the entire eastern half of the country. Because of the tribe's remote locations and adherence to subsistence farming and hunting, it has become a well-kept secret for wildlife and boasts the largest contiguous range of jaguars in Central America. All this meant for us, though, is that it was about a 2-day canoe ride to our destination, Arang Dak. Under Dr. Fiorello's mentorship, we helped with a pilot study on the health of 3 tribes' hunting dogs. We sampled blood, urine, feces, and ectoparasites in order to identify prevalence of zoonotic diseases such as leptospirosis that might affect both people and neighboring wildlife. Because some people in Boso Was believe starved dogs make better hunters, we also want to begin exploring if healthy, well-fed dogs can be equally as effective hunters, if not better. It was a great foray into field clinical skills without the benefit of electricity or even basic amenities, let alone a laboratory. Doing exams and workups on over 70 dogs in a rainforest never proved to be uneventful.
How are you doing?
I'm cold now.
How are you doing?
But the great part of this work was the people we met along the way and the animals they coexist with every day. It was a great opportunity, and I have a GoPro full of memories, and hopefully we'll be able to return sooner rather than later.